Have you ever wondered why some people attract toxic behavior again and again, while others, without saying a single word, make toxic people disappear? It's not luck. It's not personality. It's one simple habit powerful people use, and most people never learn it. See, most people react fast. They defend themselves, explain themselves, overtalk, overgive, and overtry. And every time they do that, they accidentally tell toxic people, "I'm easy to access. I'm easy to disturb. I'm easy to control." But there's a different kind of person. The person who pauses. The person who doesn't react instantly. The person who gives silence instead of explanations. And these people, without confrontation, without arguing, make toxic people disappear like they never existed. Today, here on Aurexilo, you're going to learn exactly how to become that person. So, stay with me, because once you understand this, your entire relationship with toxic people will change forever. Section 1. Why you attract toxic people. Toxic people don't choose their targets randomly. They choose the ones who react quickly, the ones who rush to explain themselves, the ones who feel the need to defend, justify, or prove something. Psychology calls this reactive personality. When you respond too fast, it signals you're emotionally available, you can be manipulated, you're afraid to be misunderstood, you need approval. And if someone is emotionally toxic, they will gravitate toward you. Not because you're weak, but because your energy is easy for them to drain. But the moment you slow down, truly slow down, everything changes. Section 2. The power of the pause. Here's the secret. Toxic people don't fear anger. They fear silence. Anger gives them control. Silence takes control away. When someone tries to provoke you, insult you, or manipulate you, and you pause, just pause, they instantly lose their power. Your silence creates confusion. Your stillness creates insecurity. Your calmness forces them to face themselves. That's why the strongest people in any room aren't the loudest. They're the quietest. Section 3. How to command respect. Effortlessly. You don't need to shout. You don't need long speeches. Respect is gained through behavior, not explanation. Here are 3 psychology-backed habits. 1. Stop explaining yourself. People who explain too much are always treated as less powerful. A simple sentence is enough. A boundary doesn't require a speech. 2. Use silence to dominate the conversation. When someone tries to provoke you, let them talk. When they finish, pause. Let the silence sit. It forces them to rethink their behavior. 3. Say less. Observe more. Powerful people don't rush. They take their time. They speak with purpose. Every word counts. Section 4. Protecting your energy. Dark psychology insight. Here's something most people don't know. Toxic people get bored when you stop reacting. The moment you become calm, silent, and emotionally grounded, you stop feeding them. And when they stop receiving emotional food, they quietly walk away. Not because you pushed them out, but because you stopped giving them what they came for. This is dark psychology, not to harm anyone, but to protect your peace and your mind. So remember this, you don't need to fight toxic people. You don't need to argue. You don't need to prove anything. Just do this one thing, pause. Stay calm. Let silence speak for you. It will change the way people treat you, and toxic people will slowly disappear from your life. If you found this helpful and you want more psychology, self-mastery, and emotional strength videos, make sure you subscribe to Aurexilo. Not because you have to, but because your growth matters. And I'd love to help you become the strongest version of yourself.